Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. After breakout stock trading in range, wait for either side to break and trade on basis of range breakout. After breakout stock trading in range, wait for either side to break and trade on basis of range breakout. Stock trading near resistance zone and accumulation also seen near resistance. If breakouts then can go long with stop loss of 2 to 3 points. Stock closed near previous swing low, wait for downside breakout and can short with stop loss of 13 to 15 points. On daily chart, stock has closed above previous resistance areas, can go long above 549 with stop loss of 4 to 5 points. On daily chart, stock trading near crucial support zone. If breaks down then can see sharp selling. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.